Hey guys, I'm here with my wonderful patient, Frederick DuBose, and this brother. We're both celebrating our birthday this week,
Yes.
but most importantly, we're celebrating the fact that this borderline diabetes is gone. Last two tests, no diabetes. The kidneys are looking good, everything's looking good, and I just wanted to let you guys know if he can do it, you can do it. So how does it feel, my brother, to not have diabetes anymore?
It feels great. It feels awesome. Following instructions is a wonderful thing. Everybody has gifts. Whatever you do is whatever you do. But this man has a gift, not just a gift, but he has a heart for what he does. He has a heart for his people. When I say his people, I mean his patients.
Absolutely.
I'm one of his clients, or whatever you want to call it. But whatever you do, listen to your doctor. Pay full attention to him. God has given this man a gift, not just, he just didn't go to school for it and he's a doctor. No, he has a gift. His heart is there. So when you listen to him, pay attention to what he says. Listen to instructions and, big word here, drum roll please, follow instructions. And trust me, everything will be right. Because listen, we all want to be around our grandchildren, for our children. We want to be around. We want to be here. So God, if God put somebody in your life that's giving you, that has a gift, that's giving you good instructions to do something that's going to benefit you and your life and your health and your family's life and your family's health. Follow the instructions. Trust me, you'll be all right. Everything's going to be good. I hope you have a better day, a better birthday, whatever you're celebrating, a better year, a better life. And you will have a better life if you pay attention to your doctor.
Amen. Thank you, my brother, for that. I'm so happy. What a gift for both of us to celebrate your success.
Thank you.
As we celebrate another year on the planet. So for all those who are checking us out, this is possible for you too. Very small changes, mostly about getting rid of that starch and sugar, moving your body, and you want to be here for your family. So I hope this video inspired you as it has inspired me. So thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
All right.